Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about places to go. Week number 1, primary, third grade. We are going to start with a video about all the different places that you have to recognize for the lesson today. But you have to repeat each one. For example, bakery,
Bank,
bank,
bookstore,
bookstore,
bus stop,
bus stop,
cake shop,
cake shop,
coffee shop,
coffee shop,
dentist,
dentist,
doctor's office.
doctor's office.
Alright, that was 8. Let's
Now
do
you
8
have to
more.
recognize 8 more.
Here we go. Drugstore,
Drugstore,
flower shop,
flower shop,
gas station,
gas station,
hospital,
hospital,
library,
library,
movie theater,
movie theater,
park,
park,
pool.
pool. Very
Okay,
good, my friends.
Let's do 8
Let's
more.
continue with 8 more.
Here we go. Post office,
Post office,
restaurant,
restaurant,
school,
school,
supermarket,
supermarket,
toy store,
toy store,
train station,
train station,
zoo,
zoo,
map.
map.
All right. Thanks very
Okay, my friends, very good. This vocabulary you have to practice at home. Now, and the other vocabulary that I am going to present today in picture number 1 is the beach. Picture number 2, the aquarium. Picture number 3, the amusement park. Picture 4, the museum. Picture 5, the hotel. Picture 6, the pool. Now, in the grammar form of the verb to be in past, you have, remember, for he and she, you always are going to use was. Number 1. Where was he or she yesterday? He or she was at the beach. In the yes no question form, you have, was he or she at the beach? In affirmative answer, you have, yes, he or she was. In negative answer, you have, no, he, she was. The correct answer is, he or she was at the aquarium. Remember that you have to give the correct form of the sentence. In our dialogue, you have, was she at the beach? Yes, she was. Depend on this picture, right? Now, we have our activity. Look, read and choose the best option. You have picture 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question 1. Where was he yesterday? She was at the beach. No. At the aquarium? Yes. At the pool? No. The right option is the aquarium, depending on the picture. In number 2, where was he yesterday? He was at the museum, because here you have a dinosaur, the bones of the dinosaur. In number 3, where was he yesterday? He was at the pool. Number 4, where was she yesterday? She was at the hotel. Now, in our second activity, you have to unscramble all the sentences that you have. In number 1, where was he yesterday? He was at the pool. Number 2, where was she yesterday? She was at the aquarium. Number 3, where was he yesterday? He was at the amusement park. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Goodbye.